Hey guys, how's it going? This is Robert Lukat. This is an old Dodge pickup hood. It's off an old Dodge truck. What I want to talk to you guys about is I'm just going to clean it up. I'm going to clean it, I'm going to make it shine, and the shine's going to stay. This is called Lukat Fix It. This is actually a paint cleaner. It's got no wax in it. It's also not a rubbing compound per se. It's more cleaner, which means it doesn't bite like a rubbing compound. And you don't need a machine. Now, if you guys have a direct dry polisher or DA polisher, one of those fancy little ones, big ones, whatever, good, go ahead and use it, no problem. But if you don't have that, you can do this in sections. You can see what I've done already. I did all this earlier, okay? So you can clean this whole half section today, come back a week later, do the rest. The reason why is because we're not masking the paint with waxes and sealers and glazers. We're fixing the paint. Now this paint right here is oxidized. Listen to this. That's the sound of a dirty, low down, no good for nothing paint job, okay? I'm gonna use this, Lukat Fix It. Now when I use this, I don't use it like a wax. Instead, what I do is I go back and forth. Now I'm gonna clean the same spot until it clears up. That's what you're supposed to do with this. There's no wax here. We don't do the circles. We just go back and forth, and you clean the same spot until it clears up. This is designed for cleaning, so you don't really have to worry about going deep and cutting and seeing the primer, okay? In some cases, you might get a little bit of that, but overall, when you do the majority, you're not gonna get that. This is a really great way to fix a paint job because instead of masking it, you're gonna remove the buildup. Now, it does take some work. You know, I've got big biceps primarily because of that. So when you do this, you're gonna be cleaning, okay? And you see there's some work involved, but that's okay because we're fixing the paint, and this is a permanent fix, okay? So all I did was clean it. Now earlier, I touched the dirty paint and I went like this, okay? But you don't hear nothing here because this is smooth and glossy because I cleaned it. So now that I cleaned it, I'm gonna go use this. This is a wax, but it's a different kind of wax. Remember, one of the reasons why I'm able to do this and these paint jobs stay shiny for many, many years is because I'm cleaning rather than waxing. There's no masking going on. This is called Easy Wax Conditioning Wax, okay? So we use the cleaner to bring back the color and the gloss by cleaning it. Now this is just in a beautiful state. We want to lock that in. And this is a special kind of wax. It's high temp. You can put it on in direct sunlight. It's a cleaning wax. Guys, this wax is sick. I love this wax. It's the kind of wax you can clean a whole car with. You can't wash your car. Use this and it'll clean your paint. It's just cleaning wax. It's not shine and pop wax. Shine and pop wax is for a beautiful car, and you use that after this. But right now what we want to do is lock in that beautiful pristine state we just brought back. Look how beautiful this paint job came out. Look at the refraction on that. Wow. Okay, so this seals it and protects it. When you use this, you don't need the cleaner anymore. Okay, so, and for those of you that got decent looking paint jobs, this is really crazy cool wax. If your paint job it's not oxidized but doesn't look new, start using this because every time you wax with this, you're gonna clean, seal, and protect the shine, okay? And it'll look better and better and better the more you use it. So, Lukat Fix It and Lukat Easy Wax. This is the color and gloss cleaning system. Use this, get the kit, go to lukatdetail.com, join us in the epic fight against ugly paint job pollution. There's no reason why paint job should be looking like this when you can clean it up. Later, guys.